A unique award, the National Yash Chopra Memorial Award.
His Excellency, the Governor of Maharashtra, our distinguished friend, former Union Minister, Member of Parliament, and a great exemplary film star, my great friend, Mr. Shatrughan Sinha. Normally, we call evergreen hero, evergreen heroine. But evergreen beautiful, as the secret she doesn't tell to other ladies how to preserve the beauty, that is Rekha. Pam Chopra, our great family friend, the wife of great Yashji. Tiger. Who is Tiger? Shatrughan Sinha. Shatrughan Sinha, the way he acts like a tiger only. And even in Parliament, the style he walks, you can see how his style. That is Shatrughan Sinha. My great friend. And we have jury members, the Simi and Padmini Kolhapur and Mr. Boni Kapoor, and we all met and we had a jury discussion. Yashi is a great filmmaker, perhaps in Indian history. 50 years continuously is impossible. I'm very fond of art, love, the films. Incidentally, I made a number of films in Telugu, Sanskrit, English, and Hindi. But a filmmaker continues for 50 years. He created sensational by making super hits. It's phenomenal. And we both made two great films, Chandni and Lamhe. So it's a great film. Even today, any generation we ask, you remember Chandni, Lamhe? Oh, wonderful film. So we both made, it was like that we became very close. The first year, we are given to Lata Mangeshkar. The second year, we are given to Amitabh Bachchan. The third year, another flower is here. Badshah, king, emperor, but is emperor in the hearts of the people as a great personality, good human being. That's very rare. And Shah Rukh Khan, 25 years back, started career. Today, his achievements are something spectacular, unparalleled, phenomenal, magnificent. And with his action, his performance, he can electrify you, he can inspire you, he can magnify you, he can stimulate you. That is Shah Rukh Khan in the acting. So he is the man who conquered the hearts of every generation, every caste and creed. Everybody is only Shah Rukh. And also I'm going to tell this one happy thing on this occasion. TV9, the most bright channel, one of the bright channels in the country, they're having language, so many languages. Ravi Prakash CEO is also here. Telugu, Kannada, Gujarat, all languages. They're having channels. English channel also is there, news channel. So TSR TV9, first time in Indian history, in the open grounds, where about 1 lakh crowd will be assembled in Visakhapatnam, April 8th. I'm having National Film Awards function. First time, because people do it only in 2000. 1 lakh presence, we must honor our stars. So that day, the star of millennium is Shah Rukh Khan. I'm going to honor that day on April 8th. So that will be telecast all over the world. So I pray God, Shah Rukh Khan must have the same zeal, enthusiasm, lifelong. Now he must live for 100 years and make the people of India feel proud that he is today 3.3 billions of people all over the world know and like Shah Rukh Khan. That is Shah Rukh Khan. Jata Ghata Asambhrama Brahmani Limpa Nichari Vilola Vichi Vallari Virajamana Mudhani Bhagat Jalata Patta Pavake Kishora Chandra Sekhari Yaksha Swarupa Jatadharaya Pinaka Hastaya Sudivya Dehaya दिगंबराय तस्मै यकाराय। हे भूताधिपतिये, हे छंदासी धारापतिये, हे रुद्र आज्ञापतिये, ज्वल ज्वल प्रज्वल प्रज्वल स्फुर स्फुर प्रस्फुर प्रस्फुर घोर घोर तर तन रूप चट चट पचित पचित कह कह बंद बंद घातय घातय प्रफुल्ल नील पंकज प्रचंड काली मच्छट विडंबिकंठ कंदर रुचि प्रबंध कंदरम स्मरच्चिदम पुरच्चिदम भवच्चिदम मुखच्चिदम गजच्चिदम तकच्चिदम स्मरांतकम पुरांतकम भवांतकम मकांतकम गजांतकम तम तकांतकम भजे। थैंक यू।
Shah Rukh is not only a great actor, and I'm a real very big fan of his. I would walk a mile to go and watch a film of his. But besides that, he's a great human being. And once he becomes your friend, he's your friend forever. And that's his greatest quality.
बहुत खुशी की बात है कि हम सब ऐसी हस्ती, ऐसी पर्सनालिटी के अवार्ड के सिलसिले में हम सब मौजूद हैं। वो कोई और नहीं, द लेजेंड यश चोपड़ा जी। उनके ख्यालों में, उनके बातों में कई साल से, लगभग 4 साल से ये सिलसिला देखते हुए आ रही हूँ। मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहती हूँ, धन्यवाद करना चाहती हूँ सुब्बुराम रेड्डी जी को। उन्होंने अपना फ्रेंडशिप को, स्नेह को हमेशा बरकरार रखना चाहते हैं। इसी के वजह से उन्होंने ये एसजी के यादों के लिए, उनके एहसास के लिए हमारे दिल में एक ताज़ा एहसास हमेशा रहना है, यही उनका ख्वाहिश है। इसी के वजह से ये अवार्ड्स का ये सिलसिला जारी किया है और लगातार जो ऐसे हकदार बनता है उन्हीं को अवार्ड जूरी चुनकर इन सब को, कलाकारों को सम्मान करना, इस अवार्ड को देना एक सिलसिला है। फिल्मों में मैंने हर डायरेक्टर के साथ काम करने का मुझे मौका दिया, सिर्फ एसजी के साथ पता नहीं ऐसा क्यों नहीं हुआ है। आज एसजी हमारी इंडस्ट्री के लिए एक पहचान दिया है, नेशनली इंटरनेशनली। सुब्बुराम रेड्डी अगर यहाँ हमारे साथ नहीं होते तो आज फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में एक फ्रेंडशिप के द्वारा, एक पॉलिटिक्स हर एक करते हैं, बिजनेस हर एक करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा अपना पैसा लगा के जो कलाकारों को लिए सम्मान करना, ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। उसके लिए मैं आप सबसे अनुरोध करती हूँ, गिव हिम ए बिग हैंड। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
सबसे पहले मैं आवर फ्रेंड फिलोसफर at times misguide, but most of the times guide, Mr. Subbhiram Reddy. He's a great hero. You know, he's a great philanthropist. But सबसे important, he's a great friend. और ऐसे सुब्बीराम रेड्डी ने जो ना सिर्फ यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, लेट एंड ग्रेट यश चोपड़ा जी के साथ, बल्कि उनकी स्मृति को और उनकी याद को इस तरह मजबूती के साथ हमेशा तरोताज़ा किया है, उस अवार्ड के ज़रिए इस तरह इस कार्यक्रम को पेश करके जो किया है वो बहुत सराहनीय है, प्रशंसनीय है, बहुत ही अनुकरणीय है। पीपल शुड लर्न। सुब्बीराम रेड्डी इज़ अ रोल मॉडल इन ट्रू सेंस। एक मैंने बहुत बड़े स्टार का हमने देखा था इंटरव्यू, और वो कह रही थी, उनसे पूछा गया कि स्टार बनने के लिए सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी चीज़ क्या है, वॉज द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग, एंड शी सेड इन वन वर्ड, पैशन। उसी तरह से एक बार मैं हमारे दोस्त एंड लेजेंडरी स्टार and a star of the millennium in true sense, अमिताभ बच्चन को मैं सुन रहा था किसी टेलीविजन इंटरव्यू पे, और उनसे पूछा गया था कि व्हाट वुड यू एट्रीब्यूट योर सक्सेस टू, आपकी सफलता का राज क्या है, आप किसे इसका श्रेय देंगे? और अमिताभ बच्चन ने कहा, एक शब्द में मैं कहूंगा, और उन्होंने कहा लक, यानी एक्स फैक्टर। राइट फ्रॉम जीरो टू हीरो की कहानी को साकार करता हुआ जिस तरह से शाहरुख खान ने, जिसे मैंने एनर्जी किंग कहा, शाहरुख खान ने जिस तरह से टैलेंट, कमिटमेंट, डिटर्मिनेशन, डेडिकेशन के साथ साथ पैशन को जिस तरह समाकर उभारा है अपने आप को, वो अद्भुत है, वो कमाल है, बेमिसाल है। ये है शाहरुख खान। और इनको आज सुबीराम रेड्डी जी और हमारे यश चोपड़ा की स्मृति में आदरणीय पैम चोपड़ा जी और अब तमाम लोग मिलकर, और गवर्नर साहब हमारे यहाँ पे खुद आए फेसिलिटेट करने के लिए, और हमें भी शामिल किया गया है आप लोगों के साथ साथ। ये मेरे लिए समझता हूँ सौभाग्य का विषय है। गज़ब हैं, धन्य हैं आप लोग, और धन्य है हमारा अपना शाहरुख खान। शाहरुख खान पे या ये जो जादू है सुबीराम रेड्डी का या शाहरुख खान का, कि सब कुछ छोड़कर, सारी दीवारों को तोड़कर मैं आज इस वक्त यहाँ आया हूँ सिर्फ इसी चाहत पे, सिर्फ शाहरुख खान के लिए, और सुबीराम रेड्डी के आदेश को अध्यादेश मानते हुए मैं आया हूँ। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र, लॉन्ग लिव शाहरुख खान एंड लॉन्ग लिव फिल्म इंडस्ट्री। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
I just want to share a little memory of mine that I have with Shahrukh Sahab. We were traveling to some show and we were on the airplane, and I was shooting those days for a change. Yes, I do that sometimes. I was so tired working day and night, and I had almost gone off to sleep when I was woken by रेखा जी प्लीज़ उठिए ना, प्लीज़ एक मिनट प्लीज़ उठिए ना जल्दी से, और खिड़की नीचे कीजिए और ज़रा प्लीज़ नज़ारा देखिए ना, बाहर कितना खूबसूरत एक सनसेट है, प्लीज़ देखिए ना, उसके बाद सो जाइएगा, प्लीज़ देखिए ना। मैंने खैर सनसेट को तो देखा नहीं, लेकिन पलट के स्लो मोशन में इनकी तरफ देखा, वो थे शाहरुख खान। तो उस वक्त मैंने उनकी आंखों में आंखें डाल के देखा कि भैया ये हमारी बिरादरी का इंसान है। तो दिस इज़ शाहरुख खान फॉर मी, दिस इज़ शाहरुख खान फॉर यू। दुआओं के साथ, बेहद ब्लेसिंग्स के साथ आप सब से विनती है, सबसे पहले मैं प्रणाम करूंगी और नमस्कार करूंगी ऑनरेबल विद्यासागर जी को, और यहाँ उपस्थित सारे मेरे दोस्त और बहन, और प्यारी प्यारी छोटी बहन पैमी जी, और सुबीराम रेड्डी जी, if I may please take this opportunity to say sorry and thank you again, because पिछले साल जैसे कि आपको पता है कि मुझे नवाजा गया है इस अवार्ड से, और मैं इतनी भावुक हो गई, इतनी मैं इमोशनल हो गई, और इतनी मैं यश जी को याद करते करते मैं एकदम सेंटिमेंटल हो गई कि इनका शुक्र अदा करना मैं भूल गई। तो थैंक यू सो मच।
I feel, truly, I really feel Shah Rukh Khan, the person, is far more fascinating than all the 80 characters he's portrayed on screen. By accepting this Yash Chopra Memorial Award, you are allowing us to tell you in such a public way how much we honor and admire and indeed love you. Thank you.
I'm truly delighted to associate myself with the presentation of the Yash Chopra Memorial National Award instituted by the TSR Foundation. This is for the third consecutive year that I am attending this function. Any invitation coming from Dr. Subbiram Reddy is like a command from my brother. You cannot say no to him. He has infinite power of persuasion, and he is also close to Lord Shiva himself. Dr. Subramanian's affection, warmth, and magnetic pull draws me here. Dr. Subramanian is a multifaceted personality. He is an industrialist and a politician, parliamentarian, a philanthropist, and above all, a warm-hearted and religious-minded person. Shah Rukh Khan is a brilliant phenomenon to have happened to Indian film industry long before he came to be known as a king of romance. He was known as a passionate person and a passionate actor. We have been watching his passion right from the days he played a commando in the television serial Fauzi. It is difficult to survive at a top position for such a long period, but Shah Rukh Khan has dominated Bollywood for more than 25 years. I congratulate Sri Shah Rukh Khan ji for this national award named after Sri Yash Chopra ji. Ladies and gentlemen, Indian film industry is the biggest film industry. I would say Indian film industry is the best cultural ambassador of India to the entire world. Once again, I thank Dr. Subramanian Reddy for selecting Sri Shah Rukh Khan for the 4th Yash Chopra Memorial National Award and for inviting me to do honors. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Now, before giving the award to our great star, a star of India, India feels proud of his personality in the star. I want to give a standing ovation. Please stand and give a standing ovation for him. Now I request His Excellency. Okay. Now I request you, and I request Rekha to give this Swarna Kankan.
Thank you very much, everyone. This is thank you. This is a very special night for me, and I'll start with the fact that this is what I least expected, to get Rakhi tied by Rekha. This has to be the saddest moment of my life. Subramanian Reddy साहब जो मेरे बहुत पुराने दोस्त हैं और बहुत सालों से हमको जानते हैं. यश जी मैं साथ में बैठ के I have strange bedfellows. Yes ji and Subramanian Reddy ji, much beyond my age, and we used to sit down and chat for hours, and he's like Shatru Sahab said, one of the kindest people you'll ever meet. Ever you're in trouble, God forbid, he's the person that you call, and he's always there, you know, in all his glory, in all his outgoingness, in all his love and sharing nature, including the Shivji prayer that he taught us today. Thank you so much. That was really, really cool. I mean, yeah, that was, it sounded like we could make it into a cool rap one day, but it was really nice for praying for us. When I started with the SG, I started with a film called Dar, in which I was really a bad guy, and I was killing people and misbehaving completely, even without being on drugs. And that was really, really intense. And I remember Yashji met me and he said, "Tu jab tak lover boy play nahi karega na, tera kuch nahi hone ka hai." But I didn't want to be a lover boy. I didn't want to be a person in love. I'm not very good with romance. I didn't think I'm good looking enough. I didn't think I'm a pretty boy enough to play romance in films and do the stuff. But he kept on telling me always, "Jab tak tu love story nahi karega, tera career nahi banega." And when Yash Chopra tells you that, then you say, okay, there must be some sense to it. So if I don't look like a a romantic hero, even if I don't act like one, I have to just go by his belief, and I did. And it genuinely did pay dividends. It really has created my career. Yash Chopra has single-handedly created my career for me to become, I mean, it's a very strange circle that I should be receiving an award which honors him by the memory of Yash Chopra, and I am who I am because of what Yash Chopra made me do and made me into. So I thank him for that. My second instance that I'd like to tell you about him is that he told me, we had some problems once making a film, and he turned around, and I must have behaved well, and he said, outdoor जब actors जाते हैं ना, तो उनका जब वहाँ पर behavior देखा जाता है तब मालूम पड़ता है कितने अच्छे होते हैं. ये मुंबई में मालूम नहीं पड़ता है यार. I'm not speaking like him because people think I'm making fun of him. I would do it out of love and say like how Yash ji told me. पता नहीं चलता यार कि कितना outdoor में मालूम पड़ता है, और outdoor में तू बड़ा शरीफ है यार हर तरह से. So I said thank you, and then I said, Yash ji, but really why do you say that? And I thought he'll give me some spiel. He said, तो बॉम्बे में तो बहुत ज़्यादा लेट आता है, outdoor पे तो time पे तो आ जाता है at least. And the third was when I was in Kashmir. Like I said, I had never. My father was, his mother was Kashmiri, and he always said that if there is one place in the world that you don't go and see without me, it should be Kashmir. And so I didn't go ever. I remember the Chief Minister Saab, the ex-Chief Minister Saab met me, and he also invited me. I said, मैं नहीं आऊँगा. मेरे पिता ने कहा था, मेरे बाप ने कहा था कि वहाँ पे सिर्फ मेरे साथ जाना वरना मत जाना. And I didn't go till Yash ji decided to make Jab Tak Hai Jaan there. And I went. So like I said in the documentary, for me it was going back and going and visiting Kashmir, the most beautiful place in the world that my father said, and I went with my father and my family. So I thank him for that. And I do remember I was giving my last shot, मैं आखिरी shot दे रहा था jeep के ऊपर, and Yash ji did come to me and say, तू जा यार, तू ऐश कर, तेरा last shot हो गया, हमारा भी अभी last shot ही होगा. And like he said in the interview we did 3 weeks before he passed away, that he didn't want to make any more films, but I think somewhere deep down inside there was one more film I could have done with Mr. Yash Chopra. Actually, there was one more film each one of us could have watched of Mr. Yash Chopra. Actually, there was not just one more film. We could keep on watching one more and one more and one more and one more and do one more and do one more and act in one more and just be a part of one more film of Mr. Yash Chopra. So thank you, all of you belonging to the Indian film industry, for bringing me up so well.
A unique award, the National Yash Chopra Memorial Award.